no, they're currently. The wife.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, thank you for your patience. First time we've used this venue, so the logistics are a little challenging. We have behind you over there the flagpole with the flag at half-mast. And in a moment, we're going to direct our attention that way as taps is played. Following that, I'd like you to then return your view in this direction towards the mountain and the far back peak in between the two rises in the front. We will have a countdown from here to let the state park staff member up at the summit know when to turn the light on, and we have a special presentation we're going to be making to the survivors also, and that will be following taps. If we yell loud enough, he can hear us. Yes, if you count down loud enough.
Up on the mountain.
No, I think we have some radio communication to do that, but thanks.
I'll do it.
Frank Doherty will now play taps.
Freeze it. Detail, dismiss.
And now we're going to have John Stewart and the Beacon Boys present to the survivors the control box that John is holding up over here. So if we were actually at the summit with the newly restored beacon, they would be able to push that button and turn the light on, and then they could push the next button and start it spinning. We can't quite do that from here today.
See how good John is.
But John